Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in and join the family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and remember the notification bell so you can be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create lovely DIYs using mostly items that I find at the Dollar Tree. I try to keep my DIYs budget friendly and easy to do. In today's video, I am sharing with you more of my creations. If you want to see what I came up with, keep watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, watching another one of my videos. I truly appreciate your support. These DIYs are so budget friendly and easy to do. I have some Dollar Tree items here. I have one of these little LED candles. I have some of these pink roses, and these were from the Dollar Tree as well. Now I did get the long stem red roses from the Dollar Tree instead of the short ones because the quality looked it better. From Walmart, I have 2 stems of the lamb's ears, and these are $2. Walmart have these dishes that's 50 cents, and I absolutely love to do DIYs because they are so sturdy and the quality looks so great, and these do come in multiple colors. Now I did take hot glue and E6000 to add to the back of the bowl and the plate, and I just did that to create a stand to style my decor on. So I'm not going to cut the greenery off of the stem. I'm just going to bend the stem and wrap the greenery around my LED candle, and I'm just going to bend them and wrap them around the way I want the greenery to be displayed. I'm not going to tack it down with any hot glue. I'm going to take those red roses, I'm going to pull them off the stem, and first I'm going to add them. I'm just going to place them where I want to add them at. Now I will be tacking the roses down to the plate. Now I'm just going to add some hot glue to tack them down once I decide where I want them. And then after I get all 3 roses tacked down, I'm going to go in with the pink roses. Now I'm not going to add anything else. I wanted to keep this very simple because the quality of this plastic and the white is so pretty, and I wanted to give it a high-end look and just let the roses stand out. So after I get these pink roses tacked down, this will be it for this DIY. This is really budget friendly because these dishes are 50 cents at Walmart, and they make a really pretty tray, and they do have them in other colors, and this is how it turned out. I think this is so pretty. I didn't want to add anything else to it. I'm actually going to use it as a centerpiece on my cocktail table for Valentine's Day, and I'm so excited and I cannot wait to style this. And so what I'm going to do is get started on the next DIY for today. And what I'll be using for the second DIY from the Dollar Tree, I also have another bunch of those pink roses, as well as 2 of their heart signs for Valentine's Day. Now the second sign is decorated on the other side, but I'm going to pull off that attachment and I'm going to use the back of the sign to decorate it. I also will be using some of my white chalk paint and some of my red acrylic paint. And what I'm going to do first is use some of that Dollar Tree spackle to cover up these holes in the front because I didn't want them to show. And what I'm doing is just trying to spread it out even so I won't have to sand it down too much, or not even sand it down at all if I can spread it out even enough. Now what I'm going to do is paint one of the hearts with that red color paint, and I'm only painting the center because you're not going to see the bottom of it or the top, because I will be gluing these 2 hearts together, and then I'm going to paint this entire heart using that white chalk paint. And this is really budget friendly, and for $3 I think it looks really high end. And after I get this painted, I'm just going to add some glue to the back of this heart. I'm going to add it on these attachments here in the back because it's going to stick better than if I try to add it to the sign itself. And I'm just going to glue it right on top, and as you can see, the red part is showing and you cannot see the part that I did not paint. So after everything is tacked down, I am going to pour those roses off the stem because I'm going to glue the roses down in the center of this sign, creating just a larger rose. So the first rose, I'm just going to glue it down to the side a little bit so that when I glue the other ones around, the last rose can be glued down in the center, giving me that large rose effect. I'm just going to glue the other one right across, and then I'm going to glue the one at the top and right under it first, and then take the last one and glue that down. This was definitely budget friendly. It cost $3 and it's literally taking me 3 minutes. So now I'm just going to glue down my last rose. So you can leave it like this, or you can add some jute cord to the back of this so you can be able to hang it on the wall. This was very easy, very budget friendly, but it looks nice and I cannot wait to style this in my home for Valentine's Day. And now I'm going to get started on the third DIY for today. Now this DIY is less than $3, very simple. I have 2 bunches of these baby breaths from the Dollar Tree and I have some jute cord. What I'm going to do is just hold the bunches together so that I can wrap this jute cord all the way down the stem. And so I did create a wreath using this same technique by wrapping some jute cord around some Dollar Tree floral, and that will be in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But this is just something simple, something easy just to add to your Valentine's Day decor. And actually you can just blend this in your regular decor if you wanted to, because it's very simple but it's actually really pretty. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to add some hot glue as I get to the end, just to tack down the jute cord so that it doesn't unravel, and I want to cover the very end of this stem. I didn't want it to show. And then once I get it covered, I'm just going to clip off the cord, and all I'm going to do is repeat the step and cover the second stem. And so I'm going to wrap the other stem, and I'm doing the same technique, just wrapping it, and when I get to the end I'm going to take the hot glue and tack down the cord to make sure that it don't unravel and that I cover the tip. Now all I have to do is bend my stems because I am going to attach these two together just to create a heart. Now it don't have to be so perfect, just long as you have the heart shape, and so I'm just going to continue to bend it until I'm happy with how it turned out. You can always continue to keep bending this and changing this around because once you attach it, it's very flexible. And so once I have it where I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to take some hot glue to attach those two ends together. And I'm just going to add some hot glue to one of the stems and then just attach the other one right on top, and then I'm going to hold it there for a second to make sure that it connects. And this is really simple. I'm just going to take some jute cord and add it in the middle just for some extra security. And after I get the jute cord tacked down and clipped off, you actually can add some extra jute cord to create a hanger, or you can just hang it from the stem, which is what I will be doing. And you can definitely play around with this. If you don't like the shape, you can always reshape it, because once you have it attached together, it's pretty flexible, and I think it's simple but cute. And as you can see, it's bendable, so you can always work with it, and I really do like this little simple DIY. I think it's pretty standing alone, or it's actually really pretty blending in with some other decor. And this will actually be cute if you created 2 or 3 of these and style them together. And here is a second look of all 3 of the DIYs that I created today. I really like how they turned out. They were budget friendly, easy to do, but have a high-end look. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. If you like this video, please remember to give it thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. And as always, in the comment box below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, stay safe and I will see you in the next video.